Good morning to all of you, dear student. Here I prepared for you an essay on importance of games and sports. So I divided here in topic wise. First introduction here is given. There are something which play important part in man's life. Games and sports are two of them. All works and no play makes Jack a dull boy. This statement says that games and reading both are complement to each other. All his life Gandhiji regretted that he did not take part in games and sports. Physical advantage. Games keep us healthy, active and smart. Games are a kind of exercise to our body. Thus we gain vigor and energy and become active. Without good health we can enjoy nothing because health is the main basis of our success in life. Games refresh our body and mind, enabling us to do more work with efficiency. They make our muscles strong. Moral advantage. Games and sports teach us lesson of discipline and cooperation. Discipline is an important factor of our life. They make us just, true, honest and hardworking. Patient and courage and confidence are found in a sportsman. Discipline trains us to control ourselves and teach us to do right things at a right time. Team spirit and social development. Man is a social animal. He cannot do things alone. He needs cooperation. This cannot be done without team spirit. Success and goal can get from team spirit. Success depends upon team spirit and cooperation. Every player plays for the goodness of the team. This team spirit and habit of cooperation are also necessary for the common good of human society. Okay, dear student, here I have given some games and sports name. Cricket, football, hockey, volleyball, kabaddi, kho-kho are some games. Horse riding, swimming and hunting are some sports. Olympics and Asiads are some famous games and sports. Competition. Olympic are the international level games and sports. Asiad are played among Asian countries. Source of unity. Unity is always seen in games and sports. They are not only unite the whole country but also unite the whole world. The players of a country unite the whole world. The players of a country go to play another country. They stay there and friendly terms are developed between the countries. Conclusion is also given here. Games and sports are not only make our body strong but also enrich our character. They are the source of the world unity. Our government should give them due preference. Okay, dear student, I hope this will be very useful for you. Especially I prepare this essay for board student. So dear student, thank you for watching my channel.